Hi, I'm Gigi Herded, part of the Pro Team South Africa with Schwarzkopf Professional. What I want to do is really complement your new haircut. I believe color should definitely marry into your haircut and complement your shape. Go in with some pre-lightening, very subtly creating a veil technique where we'll get very subtle pops of rose gold and apricot tones coming through using chroma. How light naturally will reflect off a fringe. I want to kind of enhance those areas with color, kind of like how moonlight reflects off ocean water. It's going to give you that subtleness. It's going to kind of take this 2D kind of color into a more three-dimensional look. As you can see, we've left the fringe out, which we're going to create a beautiful shine line. We're going to keep this section dark, which is our dark veil. If you can see, the triangles underneath is going to be our pre-lightened sections with our chroma color going on top, with our veil subtly covering it and making it all blend beautifully. Our first step is done. We've pre-lightened our hair. As you can see, our veil over here is dark, and all underneath the veil we've pre-lightened the hair in triangle sections. And then over here in our fringe section, just the top section, we've created a beautiful blend with a shine line. We've lifted this hair for about 20 minutes with 2%, and what a gorgeous result. So this is the perfect undertone I'm looking for to really showcase what chroma can do. It's the perfect base. So what we're going to do is just go in with some vibrance over this virgin hair just to create a bit more depth and shine. And then on our pre-lightened hair, we're going to go in with our Chroma ID. My final result. You can see the beautiful shine line that we've created on the fringe. Placement is extremely important, especially underneath. You just want to slightly bring in those pops of color.